The truth.
वेलकम माय डियर जीनियस फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका आपकी फेवरेट चैनल बोधी ट्री में। दोस्तों, आज हम एनसीईआरटी की इंग्लिश बुक का फर्स्ट चैप्टर अ लेटर टू गॉड उस पर डिस्कशन करने जा रहे हैं। इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस स्टोरी एंड द राइटर ऑफ द स्टोरी इज जी.एल. फ्यूएंटेस। अब मैं जी.एल. फ्यूएंटेस का आपको इंट्रोडक्शन दूं तो ही इज ए मैक्सिकन राइटर, पोएट एंड अ जर्नलिस्ट, and his full name is Gregorio Lopez Fuentes. So the theme of the story is that faith can move mountains. यानी कि आप में श्रद्धा हो तो आप पर्वत भी हिला सकते हो। So this is the theme of the story. So ये स्टोरी है एक फार्मर की and the name of the farmer is Lancho. He lives on a crest in a house and it is the only house in the entire valley. वो जो हाउस ऑफ क्रेस्ट पर, क्रेस्ट यानी ऊंची पहाड़ी पर, फ्रॉम देयर ही कैन सी द रिवर्स एंड हिज क्रॉप्स, वो सब कुछ देख पाता है। नाउ यू सी दिस ईयर ही हैड अ फेथ दैट ही विल गेट गुड क्रॉप्स, उसको अच्छी फसल मिलेगी, बट ही फील्स दैट देयर मस्ट बी सम रेन, ही नीड्स सम रेन एंड हिज वाइफ सेज इट डिपेंड्स ऑन गॉड्स विल, ईश्वर ने चाहा तो अच्छी बारिश होगी। नाउ यू सी हिज वाइफ वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग द सपर, the meal, and at that time the elder sons were working in the field and his other sons were playing in the field. His wife had prepared the meal and she called all the family members, and when they were taking their dinner it started to rain, बरसात होने लगी। The air was sweet and fresh and now the farmer Lancho decided to have some taste of rain. So what he does, he went out in the field and he feels the rain. He was very much pleased, and when he returned to his wife and he said that the big drops of the rain are like the coins of 10 cents and the smaller drops of the rain are like the 5 cents. यानी सिक्कों जैसी बारिश हो रही थी। There were the raindrops were like the coins, but after some time everything changed. पहले जब बारिश हो रही थी उसकी जगह हेलस्टोन यानी जिसे हम ओले कहते हैं, ओले गिरने लगे। Now Rancho was worried. He feel that this must over very soon. ये बहुत जल्दी बंद होना चाहिए। But the rain lasted for 1 hour. 1 घंटे तक ओले की बरसात होने लगी। Next day, when Lancho went out in the field, he found that there was not a single leaf on any tree and all the flowers of the crops were ruined. His total crop was ruined. He was very much sad. He believed that this year his family will die of hunger. He felt that everything is ruined, but his wife said that no one dies of hunger. कोई भूख से मरता नहीं है, because there is someone who looks after everyone. Now you see, Lancho had lot of faith in God and he thought that God must help him. You see, Lancho worked in the farm like an ox, like an animal, but he was educated, he could read and write. So he decided to write a letter to the God, and he took a paper and wrote that, dear God, my total crop has been ruined. I need 100 pesos for the next crop and to live. मुझे अगली फसल के लिए 100 पैसों चाहिए। You know friends, ये जो मैक्सिकन करेंसी है पैसो। And he wrote the letter and went to the town to post the letter. He stamped the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. You see, the postman opened the letter box and when he saw the letter he was surprised. He started to laugh. वो हंसने लगा, because उसने कभी भी ऐसा एड्रेस देखा ही नहीं था। लेटर टू गॉड, he was surprised and then he took the letter to the postmaster. The postmaster saw him and when he saw the letter and he said, I wish that I had such a faith in God. वो बोला कि काश मेरी भी भगवान में ऐसी श्रद्धा होती। And but when he read the letter, he said he believed that he must help this man. He must not sack his faith in God. उसकी ईश्वर में जो श्रद्धा है वो बरकरार रहनी चाहिए. But he felt that he need money to help this person. So he called all the employees and said that we must help this man. So he decided to gather the money as an act of charity. He also gave a part of his salary. The other employees also gave some money. But they could not collect 100 pesos. They collected only 70 pesos. They collected only 70 pesos. And you see, next Sunday, Elancho was present in the post office. He had so much faith in God that God would help him. And when he saw the letter, and he asked the postman, is there any letter for me? The postman said, yes sir, there is a letter for you. And he gave him the letter, and the postmaster was looking from his office at the face of the person that he felt कि इस आदमी को उन्होंने संतुष्ट किया है, उसकी नीड सेटिस्फाई की है. And he opened the letter with confidence. You see, he was not satisfied. He was not surprised. उसको इतना फेथ था कि गॉड को उसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. He read the letter and he counted the money. But when he counted the money, he was angry. There were wrinkles on his eyebrows. He demanded a paper and a pen and wrote a letter. He said, in this letter, he wrote, God, I requested 100 pesos from you, but I feel that you cannot make any mistakes. The money which has reached to me is only 70 pesos, and I know that you cannot commit any mistakes. So please send me the rest of the amount. And please send me it personally, not through the post office, because the employees of the post office are the bunch of the crooked. So here is the irony. So the post office के जो employees थे उन्होंने उसकी मदद की, and they felt that they had done an act of charity, but what they get, उनको बेईमान बुलाता है वो फार्मर. So this is life. हमको जब भी किसी की मदद करे तो हमको सामने से उससे कुछ भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. इसी को गीता में भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने कहा है कि बिना किसी अपेक्षा के आप जो कर्म करते हो वही कर्म होता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द स्टोरी एंड इट इज अ वेरी नाइस स्टोरी. आई एम श्योर आपको काफ़ी अच्छा लगा होगा ये स्टोरी सुनकर. नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए आप मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक अवश्य कीजिएगा. हैव ए नाइस डे. थैंक यू.